Show you guys what the difference is between a kettlebell and a dumbbell. Now when you guys see a dumbbell, you guys will notice that the handle here isn't smooth. It has like ridges, which will help you have a better grip. Another thing you'll notice is that the dumbbell has two bells on the side. So when you're holding it, this is actually pretty balanced out for you right here. Now when you guys are using a kettlebell, let's use this one right here. The first thing you'll notice is the weight isn't distributed evenly on each side. It's actually hanging down in front of you. Another thing is you have a smooth handlebar, which means the kettlebell is going to slide around in your hands, which is going to give you less of a grip. And also, this happens, which doesn't happen when you have a dumbbell. The dumbbell is more stable. Now the kettlebell is going to move all over the place. It's going to be more unstable, which means your stabilizers will come more into play when using this. Also, the weight is being distributed, it's kind of like putting you down. It's a different type of resistance compared to the dumbbell, which is more balanced out for you. And again, the smooth handle, it's going to move around in your hand, so you have to have a better grip. So you're still going to get strong using both, but they both have their different times to be using them.